Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, Super Tuesday. Yes, it's Super Tuesday in the States. Today on Tuesday, March the 5th, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here a JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Let me show you the letter Sudoku we have here, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now, on Super Tuesday, I will solve the regular puzzles first. Okay. Let me position the camera. The 3 star Sudoku number. This will be number 8128. 8128. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has always 25. This one has 1 more, but it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, should be at 2 stars because it has 26. For 2 stars puzzle need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and a 1. We have 5 and a 1 in this column, so no 5 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 1, 5 and 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 3rd row, 2 in the 2nd row. So 1st row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then, let me see. Need a 1 here. Need a 3. We have a 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the middle, in the 2nd row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 4 in this row, 3rd row, 4 in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So 1 box left in the 1st row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, so we have 8 in this row, 8 in the 2nd row. So in the 3rd row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Here's 7 here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row. 3 in the 1st row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in the 2nd row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 to 4, 5. He's missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6 5 and a 6 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. Then. Need an 8 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7. Alright. In this column, we need an 8. Yeah. We have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then Yeah. 6 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6, 6, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. That means 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes and there. 6, 6. Well, we have 6 here. Okay. Well. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. 4, 9, 3. Need a 3 here. 9 and the 2, 2 and the 9. Alright. Come on. How about the 5 then? No. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. No 9 here. 9. 4, 7. Come on. Need a 3 here, need a 3 there. How about the 2? 2. Well, having troubles. We need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. The 1 here. Yeah. Which number can I pick? Come on. 3, 3. Yes, 3 in this column. First column. 3 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Need a 4. Need a 9. 3, 4, 9. Okay. Need 3. Need 3 here. Okay. Need a 3 there. Then Yeah. How about 1, 2, 3. Well. 6. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yeah. 7 here. Come on. Need a 6 here. Well, need a 6 there. Okay. Well, in this column we need a 6. 4 missing numbers. We need a 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay, 1, 2. Need a 2. 3, 4. Need a 5 here. Come on. 5. And 6. Okay. How about 4. 8. No. 4. 4. 11 minutes already passed. I'm still thinking. 2. No. 3. 1. Need a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a pair now. The 1 in one of those 2 boxes, and the 3 in the last row. The 1 and the 3 in a row above. From that row, only 2 places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So here, 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5 then. 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. And I need a 5 here together with the 7. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7. The 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this row, so no 7 and a 5 in this box. We have a 7 and a 5 in this column, so no 7 and a 5 in that box. 7 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between the only place left for the 2 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright, need a 9 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. We have a 5 and a 6 here. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. No, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then. Two numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing. The 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row, so on the row above, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in the 60 minutes. Well, told you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this Sudoku. 2-star Sudoku. Correct. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.